Hello everyone, my name is Gianni and today I'm going to show you how to create a double exposure effect in DaVinci Resolve. So let's jump straight into DaVinci and let's see how to do that. Now there are a lot of ways to achieve this effect, but the method I'll show you today is by far one of the easiest ones. First, stack your clips on top of each other, like I did right here with this clip of myself and the clip of this skier. For the best results, make sure the top clip has a high contrast between the subject and the background, like in this example where the background is white. Then select the top clip, head over to the color page and click on the curves tab. Once we're here, we need to change the curve to increase the contrast and make our subject really stand out. So let's drag the shadows down and the highlights up. Let's say like this. Perfect. Then let's go to the primaries and drag the saturation all the way down to 0. This will turn our video into black and white. Great. Now let's go back to the edit page and change the composite mode. I've tried several modes, but the one that gives me the best results is the lighten mode. So let's use that one. And let's drag our cursor back to the beginning and just hit play. And that's it. That's how you create a double exposure effect in DaVinci Resolve. For more tutorials, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next one.